Hi, I'm Dr. Heather Kovac, and today we're going to talk about cat wellness exams.
Dr. Kovac, what is a cat wellness exam?
So a wellness exam would be a physical exam with the doctor looking at your cat in general. We call it a wellness exam when they're not sick, so they're coming in just for routine physical to make sure that everything's going well.
What will a veterinarian be looking for during my cat's wellness exam?
So of course we're checking your cat from the tip of its nose to the tip of its tail. So we're looking at all the body systems together, checking their body weight, temperature. So we're going to be able to find something that's abnormal on your pet during that exam.
Will my cat's wellness exam require any specific lab work or procedures?
That depends on the age of the cat. So if it's a young, healthy cat, say 2 years of age, current on everything, then no, there isn't going to be any blood work or other lab work that's recommended. But if it's an older cat or if it's a young kitten, yes, there will be some tests that we would recommend, checking their organ function. For kittens, we also recommend screening them for certain viruses.
How does wellness impact the longevity and health of my cat?
So, the more often we see your pet, the more likely we're going to find something at an early stage. So a mass that's small versus large, or a disease at its early onset versus, more severity. So coming in more frequently and having those wellness checkups, hopefully we'll be able to find something, and the prognosis would be better the sooner that we diagnose that.
When should I bring in my cat for a veterinary wellness exam?
So the cat should be seen immediately upon adoption. So if it's a kitten, you want to bring him in right away. If it's an older cat that you're just adopting from some other source, right away. So we recommend a physical exam right after you get the pet, so we can see if there's any problems.
Okay, what are some signs and symptoms that my cat might not be feeling well?
So some common things that we see for a cat that's just not doing well would be not eating, vomiting or diarrhea, straining to urinate, just feeling listless. We call it lethargy, so not doing the things that the cat would normally do. Maybe also not jumping up onto its favorite resting place. So behavioral changes as well, but typically you're gonna know that they're not feeling well. Hiding is a huge one in cats too. So a cat that's normally very social is now under the bed.
All right. What are some possible environmental factors that can affect cat wellness?
So environmental factors would be, if you're feeding them too much, they could get overweight, or the opposite if they're not getting enough nutrition. If they go outside, I think is a huge one for cats. So here in Southern California, we do see rattlesnakes, we see fleas and ticks, we see more contagious diseases and internal parasites in cats that go outside. Also, of course, risk for coyote attack or being hit by a car goes way up if they go outside.
All right, last question. Why is early detection so important to the well-being of my cat?
So for cats, for sure, in particular, they are the masters of disguise. They love to pretend they're okay until they can't hide it anymore. So a lot of times we can't pick up on these things until the disease is advanced. So the sooner we can come in and get those healthy checkups, we might detect something at an earlier stage and the prognosis would be much better. Okay, I think that's all the questions. Hope I answered everything for you. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.